This time we're going to be doing a series about JS Sloane, an American brand from which we have 9 different products on the table. We're going to go through all 9 of them, each and individually, just to give you a little difference. But the good thing about JS Sloane, I think I like about it, that it goes in a graduation, basically starting from the soft products, going to the really hard products that are applicable for very light hair to the strongest of the kind. Besides that, there are a couple of additional products that are mostly for smell and a little bit of treatment. But let's get going with them. In this video, we're talking about matte cream. Matte cream from JS Sloane. It's a nice light product for the light type of hair. And also, if you do not require particularly strong hold for your hair, if you cut nice and neatly and your hair lies down naturally as it is, matte cream is the product to go with. It's easier to apply on a damp hair, like many other water-based products. Best to use when you are out of the shower, towel dry hair, you're more or less dressed, or at least you pulled over your head or whatever needs to be pulled over your head. So you don't have to put the product and then pull the t-shirt over your head. They'll mess it all up anyways. So put the t-shirt over your head, the shirt, the sweater, whatever you need to put on, and then you apply the product, all right? Procedure, easy peasy. Scoop a little fingertip. Do not need to take too much of it, because you're not gonna get better results by taking too much of the product. Less is more in most of the cases, so take a little bit of it. You'll discover if you have taken too much. Rub it through your palms, apply it to the hair, comb it through, let it rest. It will dry itself into the position, then you can always break it a little bit up. It will look natural, cream, just naturally dry look. That's it. Here we have JS Sloane's hairdressing balm. This is a really soft product, but still has a nice strong hold. Usually I use this one when people have nice pompadour or kind of slick back hair, and you'll really like to have the top kind of remain nice and wavy, but have sides put to the sides a little bit more slick, and this product is the case. Very light, as I said. It comes out as a cream. Squeeze out a small portion, don't take too much again. Lasts you longer, first of all. Second of all, it's not gonna look that greasy. So it has a natural look to it, gives the hair a little shine as well. Washes out easily with damp water. This product is a JS Sloane pomade. So going from the dressing, which we talked about in one of the videos, this is a pomade, which is a slightly stronger product, and that's the thing about the JS Sloane products. They have a graduation of strengths throughout the series. So first you have the dressing, then you have this lightweight pomade. You also have the natural matte cream, which we have in one of the videos. So this is the first of the lightweight products. So in the JS Sloane, it's a pomade. Pomade is best to use when you do want to have a little shine in your hair as well. Water-based products, all of them, so easy to wash out as the other ones we're probably going to be mentioning. Types of hair, you can go through medium weight strength to light hair with the pomade. You can also apply it to the stronger hair, but then the hair needs to be cut neatly into its natural position or into the haircut that you would like to wear. So a good haircut requires less product. That's at least my philosophy. Here on the table we have JS Sloane's 3 Musketeers, you might call them. We have a medium hold, strong hold, and superior hold. The content of the products is more or less the same. It's just the strength of the product that differs. So, as the words say themselves, medium, strong, and superior, all depending if you have a medium, strong, or superior thick hair, all right? Not the head, just the hair. So I would definitely suggest a superior hold if you have a strong dark hair. Ginger hair is also perfect for the superior hold. Short haircuts if you want them standing up straight into the air entire day. Heavy weight, it's also good for heavy duty. Heavy is good, heavy is reliable. But the medium hold is probably the one we sell most. It's probably the product that hits the widest range of the people. All right. If you are in doubt, welcome to the barbershop. You can smell, taste, and touch each and every one of them. One common thing for the Three Musketeers and JS Sloane products in general, that they have a wonderful smell. So if you are on a date out or if you're going to a social gathering, JS Sloane will not only give you a good look, it will also give you a nice odor. JS Sloane's Caviar Clay. If there's anything to say about Caviar Clay, that it's a heavy-duty product. All right, it will give you the matte finish, but it is strong. So for short hair, for dark hair, also for red hair and any other type that is of a strength or short hair that you want to have lying down in a very specific way, this will force it into the shape. I preferably use this sometimes with some sort of a pre-styling product that softens the hair. So if you go through the hair with some oil first, let it saturate into the hair, then you use this product, then you'll have to use less of it and it applies better. JS Sloane's High Gloss Top Coat. What the hell is this? Well, this is a product that is mainly used as a pre-styling product or as a standalone. From experience, I can tell you, we tried it off on some females actually, even though we are at the barbershop. But the response is that it works quite nicely in the curls. It also works on male curly hair. Softens the curls quite nicely, so they're easier to work with. You can use it, as I said, standalone, so it will just keep the hair smooth, shiny, silky. Or you can apply this here. You can also blow dry with it, because then you'll get the shape way more easier with a blow dryer without heating it up way too high and destroying the hair. So it will also protect the hair while you blow drying it. So use it as a standalone to soften your hair. Use it as a pre-style to later shape it up with some sort of a styling product. It can be one of the JS Sloane series or whatever else you might be using. Smells good, feels good, and it's healthy for your hair. Splash! Aftershave splash. JS Sloane also makes wonderful smells. This particular one is quite masculine. We're not talking an Old Spice strong that will raise the dead from the grave, but we are talking about masculine smell and odor. Use this aftershave. It does what it has to do. Disinfects your skin, gives it a nice smooth, kills off the germs and bacteria so you don't get any inflammations after scraping your face. And the smell is wonderful without being over exaggerated.